If you're like us, you probably have quite a few of these coffee creamer empty. My wife likes a little coffee with her creamer. We save these, and in here we've got 4 scrambled eggs, and we'll go through and take those. Now we have ours and they're already pre-marked, but when you're doing yours for the first time, if you'll put those in and then come in and literally just make a mark for your first 4, then you can go through and renumber them. So there's 4 eggs. Let's see how many we can get in here. So as you can see, 20 eggs in one container. So you have a few different options. So this box will hold 60 eggs or 5 dozen eggs. These, which a lot of people use, but you can't stack them, they don't fit in the refrigerator well. Those hold a dozen a piece, or 3 of these already scrambled, take up very little room in the refrigerator, and they're easy to use. You can pour them because you've already got them numbered of how many eggs you need. So for your breakfast hash, breakfast French toast. Now something else with these, you can mix your eggs and cinnamon and the other things that you use for your French toast, and again those will fit easily inside your RV refrigerator. So there you have it, 60 eggs in a box, gonna break popping around in the RV, or 60 eggs in 3 creamer containers. Hey, works for us. We're the Wandering Wellens, and we'll see you down the road.